Fast, accurate and reliable accounting is completed at just the click of a button with A2X, even when it comes to foreign currencies. In this tutorial, we'll post a Canadian dollar settlement over to QuickBooks Online and reconcile it to a US dollar deposit. We have a new settlement in. This is indicated by the red sent status here. The amount shown here is the net deposit total. This amount is shown in Canadian dollars because this is a Canadian settlement. In this case, we have Amazon converting our net deposit totals and paying us in US dollars. If we click review on the entry, we can see that here in the detail. A2X shows a message at the top that states Amazon paid a converted currency amount for this settlement. The currency conversion was from $1,154.34 Canadian to $839.90 US dollars. A point to note here is that Amazon is only converting the net deposit total. The settlement data is still issued in the currency of the marketplace, in this case being Canadian dollars. The settlement we are posting to QuickBooks Online here is actually a split settlement. This means that the settlement crossed over a month's end, so A2X has split the data to ensure that you get the right accounting information entered into the right accounting periods in QuickBooks. The beauty of A2X is that we carry forward the balance for you, so that you can still easily reconcile to the single journal entry in QuickBooks Online. If we head over to QuickBooks Online and go to our banking page, we have a deposit there in our US dollar Bank of America checking account for the $839.90. The deposit is waiting to be matched to an entry. In A2X, when setting up our account, we mapped the Bank of America checking account on the connections page here in the settings. This means that when we post a journal entry over to QuickBooks Online, the bank line in the entry will be mapped to the right bank account for your deposits. Let's go ahead and send this settlement over to QuickBooks Online by clicking Send to QuickBooks. Once the page refreshes, you will see that the sent status indicator has now gone blue. If you click Review beside the settlement now, you'll also see two messages there in green, advising the settlement was posted to QuickBooks Online and the date that it was posted. Over in QuickBooks Online, we can easily confirm that the journals are there by clicking the magnifying glass in the top right corner. The journals will be listed in the Recent Transactions drop-down list. If we go to our banking page now, we can match the deposit up to the entry. Because the deposit is in US dollars and the entry is in Canadian dollars, QuickBooks can't automatically match it for you. For these entries, you'll need to click Find Match. You'll be directed to the Match Transactions page in QuickBooks Online, where you will then need to select the Foreign Currency Radio button. Upon selection, you'll see the journal listed there that you'll be matching to. QuickBooks Online will show the Canadian dollar amount as well as the US dollar amount. You'll also see a note there advising the exchange rate to be used when matching the entry. This is the rate that Amazon used at the time of payment. Once the journal is selected, the match can be saved by clicking Save. Back on your main banking page, you'll see the deposit is no longer listed in the For Review section. Instead, it has now been moved to the Reviewed section. You can confirm this by clicking Reviewed. You'll see here that the deposit is listed as being matched to an A2X journal entry. This is the Amazon settlement accounting for this period completed in full and matched or reconciled to the deposit. This process can be followed when matching up any foreign currency settlement entry to a deposit in your home currency in QuickBooks Online.